Hello everyone. So today's LeetCode daily problem is buy two chocolates. It's a very easy problem. So let's read out the statement and try to understand that what this problem is trying to ask. So you are given an integer array prices representing the prices of various chocolates in a store. You are also given a single integer money, which represents your initial amount of money. So we have some chocolates, which the prices of those chocolates are given in an array, and we have some money with us. We have given one integer, and that is the total money which we have in our wallet. So you must buy exactly two chocolates. We have to buy two chocolates in such a way that you still have some non-negative leftover money. So our money shouldn't be negative after buying those two chocolates. So either it can be zero or either it can be positive. So return the amount of money you will have left over after buying the two chocolates. If there is no way for you to buy two chocolates without ending up in debt, return money. Note that leftover must be non-negative. So it's a very simple problem. Let's take a real life example. Like you are going to a shop and you want to buy two chocolates and you have suppose 10 rupees with you, and there are many chocolates. There might be some chocolates of rupees 50, some of 100, some of 10, some of 5, some of 1 rupee. So you will prefer to buy two chocolates of rupees 1. It means your total will be 2, and your leftover amount will be 8 rupees. So in that case, so the case is similar. Suppose if you go to some next shop and there is no chocolate of 1 rupee. The chocolate, the least amount of chocolate will be 10 rupees. So in that case, you cannot buy two chocolates. So then you will return home with the entire money. You will not make any purchase in that case. So we can see in these given examples also. So he has 3 rupees with him, amount 3, and these are the prices of chocolates. So one chocolate he will buy of rupees 1, and another one he will buy of rupees 2. So 2 plus 1, 3, and he will left with 0 money then, and we can return then 0. In the next example, we can see he has got 3 rupees, but the least amount of chocolate is of 2 rupees and then 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So he doesn't have 5 rupees with him. So he will come back home with entire money, that is 3 rupees. So it's very easy problem. I will solve this problem with two approaches. So first approach is very simple. We want to get the least two elements from the array. So one way to get these least two element, we can sort the array. Let's do that thing first. So arrays dot sort, and here I'll pass the array. Uh, Now this array has got sorted. After sorting, I know my first element will be the least. So int suppose P1 is prices of 0, because this will be the least amount of chocolate, and this in P2 will be prices of 1. Okay, and if the sum of these two uh, prices is less than money, less than or equal to money, then only we will be making the purchase. So let's put that condition. If P1 plus P2 is less than or equal to money. In that case, I will return what? I will return money minus P1 plus P2. Otherwise, I will return the entire money. So for that, I don't need anything to write. I will directly return the entire money. Okay, so this is it. This is it for it. So let's run this code. So obviously the time complexity for this solution is n log n because of this inbuilt short method. Otherwise, it is big O of 1 for this piece of code. Just because of this line, the time complexity has got increased to n log n because inbuilt short uses n log n time complexity. So this has got accepted. And if we'll submit it, it will get accepted. Okay, so yeah, it is taking 2 milliseconds and it is beating 77.8% users. Now let's come up with a bit fast approach. That is, I will iterate over this prices array and I will find out the least value and the second least value, and then I'll be doing this thing, this same thing. Okay. So in place of P1, I will remove this line. I do not need this because I will not short it. I will take in place of P1, I will take min1 and this will be min2 and the value will be, let's check what is the value. So the maximum value, the maximum price of a chocolate can be rupees 100. It cannot go beyond 100. So I will take 101 here and 101. Okay, so that is the maximum. Okay, now I will run a for loop and from I0 to I less than prices dot length, right? I plus plus, and I will check if my current uh, value, that is prices of I, is less than min 1. If it is less than min 1, then what I'll do, I will I will set my min 2 to min 1, and then I will set my min 1 to current value. Very simple logic. And if my else if my current value is less than minimum 2, in that case I will just update my minimum to current index value, prices of I, and that's it. This is how we will get the minimum, min 1 and min 2. So I will then write min 1 here and min 2 here, and the rest, everything will remain same, just the way we are finding these least two elements, it has got changed. The rest, the entire logic is same. So let's try to run this. This is a bit faster solution because here the time complexity is big O of n, because we are just iterating over the array once. So that's why. The time complexity is big O of n. Let's try to submit this, and it should get accepted if there is no compile error. Okay, there is no nothing. Okay, so this is beating 100% users. In the last case, we saw that it was not that fast. It was taking 2 milliseconds. Now this one is taking 1 milliseconds, because this is that was n log n. They go of n log n time complexity, and this one is they go of n. So this is it for this problem. I hope you understood each bit of this. And now, if you like this video, then share with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and that's it. I'll see you in the next one then. Bye bye.